Have you ever thought of working in tourism? The European Union is full of opportunities for you. Europe is the top tourist destination in the world. Mobility is the key. The European Union is offering a lot of assistance to help you work in tourism in another European country. The first thing you need is a European format CV. If you don't have it yet, create it online right now. Thanks to Europass, employers in the tourism sector will clearly understand your skills and qualifications. Now you're ready to enter into the European job market. Erasmus Plus is the EU program that offers you a scholarship to develop your skills with a period of study or work abroad. You can learn new languages and cultures and have an experience as travel manager, tour operator officer, chef or receptionist. Contact the International Relations Office of your educational institution and set off today to learn new skills, work in an international environment and start a new and exciting profession in the tourism sector. Ready? Then start looking for your next job. Where? On the URIS portal. URIS is the European Job Mobility Portal. You can search for your most desirable job among the thousands offered. Find the job, traineeship or apprenticeship opportunity you're looking for, according to your needs. It's much more than a website. It's a human network of more than 1,000 staff members across Europe who are always available. Dropping at URIS is another tool to upgrade your skills through apprenticeships, traineeships, training programs, e-learning courses, language training, mentoring and coaching schemes. By signing up and dropping at URIS, you will increase your chances of finding a tourism job in the future that links to your interests and skills. And if you want to launch your own business in the tourism sector, the Erasmus for Young Entrepreneurs is the right program. One new entrepreneur is assigned to one host entrepreneur chosen among 38 destination countries. If you want to start your own business or have started an SME in the last 3 years, you can be a new entrepreneur in this program. You will get on-the-job training to develop entrepreneurial skills and learn to avoid business traps. Search for your local contact point and let your new experience begin. What are you waiting for? The tourist season is all year round in Europe. Start searching today for your new job in a new European country.